Can you all see the textbook on your screen? Okay. And and in your workbook, be on your page 1515. Workbook. Yes. Yes. Workbook page 15. Textbook it is there in front of you. Okay. Now the answers I'm going to mark over here, and you are supposed to copy directly from the screen into your workbook. Any questions, anybody? Shall we start? Okay, so this will be your answer 6.1. Okay. What do you know about our earth? Write a short note. So in short, we are going to write about the history of the earth. How did it come into existence? Okay, that is the question. And the answer is over here. Just a minute. The students are still entering. They don't know that they are going to miss so much of the things. Okay, fine. Chalo, you will start from here. It is believed. यहाँ से. Okay, it का I कर देना capital. It is believed that part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision is earth. At the time of its origin, it was in the form of a fireball. This fireball started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. Up to solid form. Here. This makes your answer 6.1. Okay? Any doubts? Solid, solid form tak. Yes. First, it will start from it is believed. Okay? Up to solid form. 6.1. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Okay, continue. Now let's move to 6.2. How did the spheres come into existence on the earth? We know that in starting earth was a fireball, right? Then slowly out that fireball started cooling down. Some things remained into solid form, जो बन गया lithosphere. Some things got converted into liquid form, which became hydrosphere. Some things were still, some elements were still in the gaseous form, which formed atmosphere. And when in all these three spheres, when life came, it is known as biosphere. Right? The same question is asked, the spheres कैसे बने? Okay? The answer is again on the same page. The elements which got. You will start from here. Here. Again, और रुको थोड़ा एग्जैक्ट कर देती हूँ यहाँ से द एलिमेंट्स अब द का टी कर देना कैपिटल द एलिमेंट्स विच गॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू सॉलिड आर नोन एज लिथोस्फियर द एलिमेंट्स विच गॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू लिक्विड आर नोन एज हाइड्रोस्फियर the elements which transformed into gases came to be known as atmosphere. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as biosphere. In this way, the four spheres came into existence on earth up to the end of the paragraph. This makes your 6.2. Any doubts? Anybody? Any doubts? Okay, start writing. Okay, now comes your 6.3. Explain the importance of lithosphere, 5 points. So in short, you have to say 5 different ways in which lithosphere or land is important. Now this answer is not directly given in our textbook, so I will dictate it to you. So you will write directly in the workbook and I am speaking out. Ready all? Okay. Chalo, point number 1. Constructing. हाँ yes, लिखना है. Constructing buildings, comma, hospitals, comma, bridges, etc., etc. Point number 1, constructing buildings, hospitals, bridges, etc. Second point, provides minerals. अच्छा रुको, मिनरल्स ये नहीं दिख रहा है शायद. आई एम चेंजिंग द कलर. मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. चलो. Provides minerals for industries. For industries. Point number 2, provides minerals for industries. Number 3, important for agriculture. Number 3, important for agriculture. Important for agriculture. Important for agriculture. Point number 4, important for. Point number 4, important for transportation. Check the spelling. Important for transportation. And the last one, point number 5, storing water. Storing. हमें पता है ना कि लिथोस्फीयर के नीचे भी वाटर होता है when you dig it. So it's okay. So it is storing water. I'm repeating all the points one more time. Check it. Water. I'm repeating the answer. Check it. Number 1, constructing buildings, hospitals, bridges, etc. Number 2, provides minerals for industries. Number 3, important for agriculture. Number 4, important for transportation. 5, storing water. Got it, all of you? Second is provides minerals for industries. Any doubts now? Okay. Now turn your page in your workbook, page number 16. Now you have to give the uses of hydrosphere. Again 5 points. Now here we are marking in the textbook, so it's okay if you don't write point wise. हाँ 1 2 3 लिखते हो तो well and good, वरना एग्जाम में तो point wise ही लिखना है. अभी अगर डायरेक्टली लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Clear? All of you ready? Okay, here comes your answer. 6.4. It is divided into 3 parts. Start from here. Fresh water. यहाँ से. Fresh water is required by living beings for their existence, up to existence. Then next paragraph, here. Valuable minerals, valuable chemicals, salt, fishes, etc. are found in the seas. Mark up to seas. And third part from here. The tremendous force of waves, tides, and currents of oceans are potential sources for generating electricity. Besides, these oceans are also useful as waterways up to the end, up to waterways. Okay, that makes your answer 6.4, up to waterways. Okay, that is your 6.4. Now I'm reading it again. थोड़ा सा इसमें 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है, सो थोड़ा ध्यान से करना. Start from here. Just a minute. देखो स्टार्ट कहाँ से हो रहा है. फ्रेश वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय लिविंग बीइंग्स फॉर देयर एग्जिस्टेंस. देन valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, etc. are found in the seas. Then the tremendous force of waves, tides and currents of oceans are potential up to the end waterways. ओके, तो ये वाला होगा आपका पॉइंट नंबर पार्ट 1. पॉइंट नहीं, पार्ट 1. ये है पार्ट 2 और ये एंड में जो है दैट इज पार्ट 3. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? दिस मेक्स योर 6.4. स्टार्ट राइटिंग. लिखते लिखते बीच में अगर कहीं कंफ्यूजन होता है तो यू कैन आस्क मी. Okay, now again you have to give the uses of atmosphere 5 points. Okay, so first was the uses of lithosphere, then hydrosphere, and now atmosphere. Again, this answer is also divided into 3 parts, so be very careful. We will be starting our answer from the first itself. Gases like. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे. ओके, गैसेस लाइक ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन कीप्स द लिविंग क्रीचर्स ऑन द अर्थ अलाइव. नाइट्रोजन reduce the intensity of oxygen. Water is the most important component in the atmosphere. Due to heat, the water in the form of vapor evaporates and mixes with air. Right up to here, mixes with air. Here, ये है आपका एयर. थोड़ा दूर कर देती हूँ. Mixes with air. Then on the same line, the process. यहाँ से वापस स्टार्ट करो. इसमें कलर चेंज कर दूं आपको. यहाँ से the process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Up to condensation, this will be your second part. And third part, उसके लिए आपको जाना पड़ेगा नीचे. एक मिनट आएगा, बट आपका नेटवर्क स्लो होगा तो थोड़ी देर लगेगी. जस्ट अ मिनट. सेकेंड पार्ट जो है वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा. स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ सन रेज. यहाँ से वो ऊपर वाला जो है वो भूल जाओ. फ्रॉम हियर, स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ सन रेज आर विजिबल ड्यू टू दीज पार्टिकल्स. अब ये थोड़ा चेंजेस करना है. यहाँ पर दीज पार्टिकल्स जो है, कैन यू सी दीज पार्टिकल्स? उसके बदले आपको लिखना है डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. दीज के बदले डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. ये होगा आपका सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर. एंड थर्ड पार्ट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम वी आर एबल. फ्रॉम हियर. ब्लू कलर दिख रहा है आपको? We are able to listen to the sounds due to the presence of atmosphere. Up to atmosphere. Okay, so these are the three parts into which your answer is divided. अब जिसको समझ में आ गया start writing, नहीं समझ में आ रहा you can ask me one by one. Okay, after completing this answer, here we end the chapter. The second chapter gets completed. Next lecture अभी हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. So next lecture we will be starting with chapter number 3. Okay.